waiters.
What's that?
Yes, she's in the car.
I'm trying to catch fish right now. The kid is on deck.
Oh, yay! Hi!
But we didn't catch nothing. How long do you plan on staying?
I don't know.
I'm gonna stay until 5 o'clock.
What is up, guys? So trout season has started for us today, and we are at Lake Gregory.
The propeller's the wrong way.
So hopefully we can catch some fish. And I think I'm on. No, I'm not on right now. So this is how it is right now over there. And we got my chibi down here too. Our lucky dog. We got Kay. There you go.
Hey, have you seen the team?
So happy. Trout season has started. Gonna get a lot of good footage this year. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy. But yeah, we'll catch you once we hook up. All right.
Update. Nothing. There ain't no freaking update.
Is that you or me?
No way. You got one? No way. Finally, dude.
That's me.
Is that both of us?
Come over here so it doesn't break off on each other. Jiggy, come. Jiggy, walk over
I
here.
feel it going up and down.
I feel it too.
Come over this way because it's coming this way, Jigs. Or else you guys are going to play tug of war.
Yeah, that's both of us. Yeah.
That's yours. I think that's yours.
Well, yeah, you guys have 30 lines fucking necks and necks.
Go. Is that your fish? Is that your fish, Mike?
Oh, no.
Was on it. It was on it. I was on it. Got tangled with another line, and then boom, gone.
Darn.
2 times today.
It was on it and then it was off.
2 times. Same deal too. Same deal. Got caught on another line. Fish gone. Well,
Yes, sir.
20 minutes. Got it.
Let me go over.
Pull you on the side.
Go.
Let's go.
Oh, might be a 2,000.
Here,
Ready?
I have a scale.
Hold up. That's like 3.5 pounds, bro. That's like 3.5
Let's
pounds.
see.
Hold on, I'll get my scale.
Yo, that's like
This guy's
3.5
coming
pounds.
home anyways.
I would. All right, well, I'll say 2.5.
About 2, 3.
2, 3, really?
Yeah.
Dude, sick heads, bro. Hell yeah. Yes, the body. Night bite, dude. Night bite.
Yeah. Ready?
That is
2.3.
2, 3.
Oh, perfect. I did. I picked it up and I
Beautiful.
said, hold on my finger. All right.
Whoa.
Thank you. Hold this one.
One guy wanted to buy the fish off me.
All right.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Take a picture of yourself.
My wife said, don't come home until I catch something. Yes, you all learn in Catalina.
No way.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
See, that's water over there.
It's not water. No, it's not.
See it? Right between that marine layer, behind it. Boom.
No. After fishing trip.
A sad dinner.
Sad.
Not sad, but this is what we eat when we don't catch. Just imagine what we eat when we do catch. So we ended up skunking. The homie Mike caught one last minute. Yeah, it was cool though. First trip of the year.
Thank you.
So first trip of the year. Excited. So gonna be planning more fishing this year. So catch you guys.